Welcome to the channel, folks. Model Car Guy Rich here. Today I've got another unbagging. This one here is of a previous kit that was built, a 70 Superbird. This was a Johan kit, and I built this one back in the late 70s. I did a little something different on this one. Yep, if memory serves me right. Oh, here's the wing. Glad to see that's not missing. Let's see, there's a wing fit on there or something like that. And I made this one with 426 Hemi in it. Okay. Wired up with some, looks like sewing thread there, and I made a belt out of there, a pulley belt. Well, this one here turned into a four-wheel drive Superbird. Apparently it comes apart. There's the insides. There was the very basic interior, because this was kit was originally released as a oval track, I think. I don't remember. You'll have to look up on ScaleMates to see the actual original box art and all that. But yeah, I think, if I recall, the rear end and the front end assembly, the four-wheel drive thing, and that was all from a Chevy pickup. Four-wheel drive Chevy pickup from the mid-70s. Little square body, I think it was. Yep. Just some of the crazy stuff we did when we were kids, right? Who wouldn't want a 426 powered four-wheel drive Superbird, right? There's the rear bumper. Obviously it's fallen off due to the glue drying. A couple of multiple colors under here. I see yellow, I see green, I see silver. I don't remember what was going on with that. But there it was. Paint job wasn't all that fantastic, but then again, that's all done with a rattle can and some brushes, I'm sure. And now I have the somewhere here it is. These are the original instructions that came with it. Oh no, I'm sorry. This is for the '69 Roadrunner. That's coming up in another video. I don't have the Superbird instructions. I couldn't find them. We'll get back to that at another date. So there you have it. 70 four-wheel drive supercharged or Superbird. Yep. I guess I'll glue that back on eventually and display it just the way it is. I don't want to take it all apart and redo it, because it means more to me, being an old relic from back in the day. So I hope you enjoyed that one, folks. That was just a little quick video today. Like I said, I got, if you can see here, there's a bunch of kits that I'm going to be bringing out in the next couple of videos, just to let you guys see some of the old builds, and you know, you can reminisce amongst yourselves or send me comments for whatever you want. And hope you all have a great day. I'll see you on the next one. Model Car Guy Rich out. Keep on modeling.